At last, Russia has withdrawn some troops yesterday, and as a result, we saw the effect on the market as well. Because withdrawing troops means there is a hope around the world that there will be no war between the Ukraine and Russia. And we saw the effect on the market clearly. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD after the troop withdrawal. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And if you trade on other pairs like Euro, USD, GBP, USD, USD, JPY, you can also check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel as well. So let's get started. So slowly and slowly, the world is hoping that the world will be over from the crisis, and as a result, we saw some profit booking on the chart of gold yesterday when gold formed these huge two candles, red candles precisely. Right now, gold is standing at 1852. This is the current market price here, and after this huge fall yesterday, one thing is very much clear to us that the previous resistance of 1875 to 1880 is a still valid resistance. It simply gives us the indication that strong sellers were present and are still present in this level. So this level should definitely be marked as a very strong resistance on your chart as well. So in the future, if market goes up, then we can hope that there will be some selling in this level again. Okay, so if we see some price rejection in this level, then definitely we can take a sell position. So as of now, the strongest resistance is at 1875 to 1880, and whereas the strongest support for the chart of gold USD is at 1820. Okay, 1820 to 1815. This is the strongest support for a gold chart right now. Okay, right now as gold is trading far away from the 1790 level, so I do not want to talk about that. Okay, so 1820 to 1815. Okay, this is the strongest support, and whereas we have 1875 to 1880 as the resistance here. Okay, so if market comes down and bounces from here, then definitely we can take a buy position, and if market reverses from here, we can take a sell position. But right now we can see that there is not much volatility, huge volatility in the market. Okay, so for today we can see that 1844 is also acting as support. It means that we can see some good price rejection from this level. So during the day, if market comes to the level of 1844, then we can also expect a bounce again. So if price comes down to the level of 1844 and bounces, I think we can, with proper risk management, we can take a buy position as well. Whereas on the other hand, if market goes up that around 1857, okay, we can see some price rejection since yesterday. So for scalping purpose, if you see that there is a price rejection from 1857, you can take a sell position as well. But to be honest, taking a sell position at 1857 is kind of risky. So if market reaches the level of 1857, then I'll request you to observe the market first. If you see good price rejection around 1857, then only take a sell position. But in case you see that there is a good buying in the market, there's a bullishness in the market, then yes, obviously there is a possibility that market will be breaking the level of 1857 and will start going up. And if you see that buying power is good enough, bullishness is good enough, with proper risk management, we can take a buy position as well above 1857 level. Okay, I would like to discuss one more scenario here, and that is in case there is a fall in the market, because we can see that there was two big candles yesterday, and considering the present situation, okay, if we get another good news about the Russia and Ukraine, there is a possibility that market will fall. Okay, gold will fall, and if we see gold crossing the level of 1844, I think that we will be having a fresh sell in the market, and yes, we can also take a sell position below 1844 level as well. So these are the trading opportunities that I think we have for today. Okay, so hopefully you've understood. Okay, if you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Bye bye, take care, see you tomorrow.